Hey folks, Eddie here with RV Glass Solutions. The first 48 hours of a new RV windshield install are extremely important. We'll be going over dry time on the new windshield installs and aftercare. Do not move or drive your coach until the glass is fully set. Your glass installer should provide a precise time frame based on type of the install and adhesive used. We recommend these dry times for the specific installs. Half or one-piece gasket windshields require a 4-hour dry time. Take note, if the gasket comes off the body while the old windshield is being removed, your dry time will change from 4 hours to an overnight stay. This will give plenty of the time for the new adhesive to seal the gasket to the body. Glue-in with moldings is an overnight stay. Flush mount installs like the one we have here is a 2-day installation process with the coach being ready to go on the morning of the 3rd day. Now let's talk about aftercare. Refrain from washing and spraying down the coach after the install has been done. You want to wait till the appropriate dry times have been met. Here are RV Glass Solutions. We leak test all of our installs after dry times have been met. Hey, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next one on Keeping It Level.